I have a quadrature. Do you know what is the definition of quadrature? Do you know what is the definition of quadrature?
Okay, you say it.
In a simple closed figure followed by four line segment is called quadrilateral. I repeat you. In a simple closed figure formed by a four line segment is called quadrilateral. What's a quadrilateral? Let's say A, B, C, D. Sides AB, BC, CD, DA. Angles angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Extend sides AB is angle D. AB is extent of AD. BC is extent of BA. CB is extent of CD. DA is extent of DC. Extent angles. Angle A, angle B is angle D. Angle B, angle C is angle A. Angle C, angle B is angle D. Angle D, angle C is angle A. Opposite sides. AB is DC. AD is BC. Opposite angles. Angle A is angle C. Angle B is angle D. Diagonals AC and BD. Thank you. Now I will give you in a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides parallel is called trapezium. Do you know why these lines only parallel? Because we extend these lines, they do not intersect at any point. We extend these lines, it intersects at any point. Do you know what is a trapezoid? In a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and non-parallel sides are equal, then it is called trapezoid. Here these two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel. Do you know what is the difference between trapezium and trapezoid? In a trapezium, the non-parallel sides are not equal, but in a trapezoid, non-parallel sides are equal. Thank you.
In a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides is called kite. What is? Do you know there is special of quadrilateral? It is kite. Why it is so special? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. In a square, all sides are equal. But in kite, in a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides are called kite. Thank you.
From this explanation, can I ask you a small question? In which quadrilateral the diagonal